everybody, welcome to another painting episode here. This wasn't really planned, but we're going to go ahead and do the sequence here. So what I did is I went ahead of time and painted this whole canvas yellow, really bright sunny yellow, and I'm going to add 3 different colors to the top and the bottom. And then I wrapped this nap roller up with a rubber band, and you can use multiple rubber bands, but I just found one big rubber band, kind of funny. But what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to run it right down the middle with some black, and it's going to give me a very interesting texture, hopefully. I've not tested this theory out, so hopefully it'll work. So let's get with it. Let's go ahead and start with the ends, orange. Let's get that rolling. Okay, that's pretty nice looking orange. And now I'm going to go to the other side, polar opposite side, the bottom, and do this in orange. The humidity's killing me here. It's making my tape crappy. So this is all for all my friends in North Carolina. Woohoo! Okie dokie. So, like I said, I got a real cool orange going on there, a nice retro orange. And I'll set that aside now. And let's get another color going on. I'm going to use blue next, right in the center. And this top piece. You've got to get this thing to go into sequence. That's why the painting's called sequence. Oh, that blue is really cool. Woo! Cool blue! Anyway, stick with me here. Sorry you have to sit there and watch me do this. Anyways, this is not a very difficult painting. It's pretty interesting just to get the nice patterns. And when I pull this, I should have some nice yellow showing. Like I said, some of this yellow's popping through some of the paint. I don't mind about that either. It's not about complete coverage. It's just about getting a nice color patch there. Sometimes when you leave some of the underpainting showing, it just causes a nice vibration to the piece. Move our nap roller out of the way here before I paint it blue. Okay, so same difference. I'm going to go, I'll put green on that one, and then we're going to go orange and then blue and then green here. So blue will still be here, but we're just going to switch the sides with the other tone. So blue in the middle again. I'm not going to worry about the edges too much because I'm going to paint that black. It's going to be edge finish with black. It all comes together here for me. And we're going to razzle dazzle some of this up with some webbing, of course, because I love webbing. Love to put webbing in all my artwork. And it's going to probably be the death of me. No, seriously, it probably will be. It's very toxic, and I don't use a mask 90% of the time. I recommend you use a mask, people. Even though I'm not using one. I want you to, because now I can't breathe very well these days. Anyways, that looks pretty good. And now we're going to head and do green. Let me wipe off this brush just a wee bit because I don't want it too dark or green. I want to keep it that nice apple tart. Apple tart. I call it retro green, but it is apple tart. So let's use the apple tart in the corners. Push that tape down a little more. We're gonna have a yellow stripe here too. That's what's gonna probably happen here, is because when we pull that, we're gonna have that yellow underneath still. Our base color that we added. That way we'll have all the colors of the rainbow basically going on except for red. Okay, so there's our green. It's starting to look like a flag of some kind. And I made some of the shapes. They're all uneven because I don't want anything even. It's not about making things even. It's about making your eye dance around the picture space. So it kind of looks even when you're first looking at it, but I did it offset, so it causes a sequence of motion. Hence the name, sequence. Okie dokie. Now what I'm going to do, hopefully this works. I'm going to get my little nap roller. Let me go stick my paintbrush in the water. Get this black paint going here. It's fun to put this plastic bag. And I'm going to get a little bit of room here. Let me use this for like a kind of, so I don't get too much paint on the nappy roller. So here we go. Let's get that nappy roller going in here. Ooh. We're going to roll it on this paper towel. There we go. Give us a nice little blotting space here. We want it saturated. But we also want it to do the texture that we tied down. Let's get a lot of paint on that thing, man. There we go. Starting to look like it's rolling a little bit. We don't want it too thick on the roller, so just about like that. Okay, here we go. Oh, isn't that wild, guys? Look at that. Wild. There we go. Isn't that a cool freaking design? Almost like it's like a cheetah or some kind of weird panther marking. Okay, so now we're gonna set our roller over here for a second. We're liking that. Okay, let's get our blotter piece out of the way so we don't make a big old mess. And now I'm gonna finish off with my favorite marbleizing spray. I got some more marbleizing sprays coming. They're not the same brand as this, so hopefully they'll work. We're going to use a white whisper, and we're going to use a silver. And you know what? I think I might even use a black. I might use a black. Let's see. Yeah, let's use some lava on some of these spots here. Oh, isn't that wild? I'm kind of liking just a black there. Kind of offset it. There we go. I might do some freehand because it might pull, you know, when I pull it off. Let's get this move over a little bit. Kind of liking that. Okay, so that black's really good. We're going to give it another accent here. A little bit of white. Let's see, what color is this one? Oh, it's gold. Gold. Sorry, I lied to you. You don't want to put too much gold on. Kind of liking that. Not a lot. And then we'll go with this a little bit of white, just to accent that a little bit brighter. We don't want to make it too dull. Look at that, see? Oh, that's wild. There we go. Isn't that cool? A cool looking abstract. Now we're going to probably have straight white lines underneath once I pull this tape. like I said, kill some of our webbing, that's okay. I pulled most of the webbing there, we'll have to redo that. Yikes. I'm impatient, I should have waited. Let's pull that off. Sometimes we have happy accidents here. Well, I'm not too happy about it, but we'll fix it. Because we're going to web it anyway, so it doesn't matter. So, bear with me. Because we don't want to leave that just straight yellow. Nor do we want to leave this straight blue. Okay, there we go. Didn't think it was going to pull it off that bad, but it did. Jesus. Didn't leave me anything there. I like that anyway. I'm going to go over the whole piece either way, so. A little bit of gold chiffon here. I'll put black back where we lost it. And a little bit there. And all over the whole thing. Razzle dazzle, man. That's what I like about this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It's just way wild. Okay. Now let's see if we can pull this off without pulling the whole damn thing off. The whole thing of it is you gotta wait. I'm in a big freaking hurry all the time. So, patience in this game, people. There's patience in this game. It's better. It's an easy, wild little piece there. I'll put some nice gold down. And we'll put a little bit of let's put a little bit of this white first. There we go, and then we'll accent with black, of course. Isn't that wild? I think we have it, man. I don't want to overdo it, you know what I'm saying? Looks pretty good. Well, there you go. There you have it, guys. The sequence. Thanks for watching.